code space shooter in JavaScript, adding more weapons. Refactor shot function to make it reusable. We will select shot sprite from this sprite sheet. We will call shot function with weapon config object. Let's create first config for basic shot. Now replace calls with loading weapon config. It works. Now let's create triple shot config. Just call shot function 3 times with different angles. Looks nice. Now let's create a powerful plasma weapon. This time we create 2 shots after short delay. Now we create laser weapon. 3 laser shots with tween animation. We animate offset and scale. How about powerful Destructor beam? 2 sprites for beam and fire blast. We must copy location of parent spaceship each frame. Remove events when shot animation ends. We also need to create animations for the beam. Now we can burn enemies. Let's create circular shield. It will rotate around player's spaceship. Follow for more.